what a month it has been. Let me just tell you, lots of birthdays around our house and just lots of things going on. And I bet you have been just as busy as I have. So I thought I'd do a little video, kind of like a review, a month in review, or, just an overview of what we did this month, because I'm a little concerned you might have missed one or two items, and I don't want you to lose them on our website because, we release products a lot. And I don't want you to lose one. Now, if you see something that you like in this video that you do not have, if you don't want to purchase it right this second, make sure you add it to your wish list on our website. That way, you'll remember that you need it. Okay, let's jump in. The first item I'm going to show you, you can't buy, so I hope you don't like it. Unless you're in my Fold It Club, then I hope you love it. But Fold It Clubs are a little different around the Stamps of Life. They're exclusive to the Fold It Club. Here we go. It was our flower vase. Oh, I love it. Let me tell you, I just love this one. And the coordinating stencils that go with it, mwah, love it. So I hope you got in on it. If you're not in the Fold It Club, join now so you don't miss out again. Dun, 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 dun. Our Stamp a Die Hard Club were our beautiful butterflies. Let me just tell you, I've loved seeing your ideas that you've added to our Facebook page. They are so fantastic. If you're not a part of the official Facebook fan page for the Stamps of Life, make sure you go join, because you know what? You're going to want to see the creations also. You can also see them in our online gallery on our website. But look at this one. Ready? What? I know. Isn't that beautiful? I absolutely love that. That is so pretty. You can see that. It's so fun. This is also using the box pop-up. That's what's inside here. Box pop-up. So pretty. Now, we also released some different butterflies as an add-on option, the beautiful eyelet butterflies. We released our fun background, Dream Big, Shine Bright, and Sparkle More. How appropriate to use your glitter paper on this one, right? Then we released our butterfly gatefold. Talk about stunning. Is that the most beautiful you've ever seen in your life, or what? Whoa. Then we also released our Newport flower background die. So here's our Newport flower background die. Here's our Newport flower. Guess what, you guys? They coordinate. Everything at the Stamps of Life goes together. So we're taking the art from here and we made it a background. So now you can mix and match. Isn't that beautiful? Love it. Oh, our cute little fuzzy caterpillar. I just love this guy. I just think he's so cute. I can literally see him just going like this. Now, this is really fun. Yvette made this, and she made this cute little book for the boys. Well, I mean, I don't know if she made it really for my boys, but they're getting it. Let me tell you. Red, orange. Look how cute that is, using our varsity alphabet letters. Love it. Here's a fun one. We released this gorgeous oval, floral oval, and it's on our slide reveal die. Isn't that fun? I'm sorry, pocket slider. Pocket slider. Isn't that cute? Whoa, pocket slider has been around a while, but you might not have it, so go check it out. And then look, it stands. I love it. We also released our words, Keep Calm and Pray On, which I absolutely love. You can do part of it on the front and then the rest on the inside, or you could just say keep calm and pray. Love it, love it. Or you could just say pray on, whatever you want. Oh, remember the old-fashioned perfume bottles. Hello, beautiful. Isn't that gorgeous? Then we also released our mixer Fold It, because you know what? There's cooks in our lives. My daughter Katie's one of them. She loves to bake. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh, and you know what? I just noticed. I didn't notice this before. It's also an easel card. Easel card Fold-Its can easily be easel cards as well, my friends. Look at that. I love it. That way they can display it even better, right? We also re-released, I should say, because this originally was on HSN, was one of my Christian stamp sets that is called Christian for HSN. So this one has like and they're all separate stamps, my friends. So congratulations on your baby's christening. Congratulations on your wedding day. Congratulations on your first communion. Congratulations on your confirmation. You are a child of God. May God bless you. All glory to God. Lots of different options on this one. Also, now on our website, I took this on HSN, I think it was 6 years ago, I'm not sure. Make sure you don't have it already, but if you don't, you're gonna want this one. Look at how big the dies are. Thank you, Just Because, congrats, and happy birthday. They are a good size, so big that I had to use an extra card in here. These are perfect when you have a great background die, like maybe that Newport flower background, and you just need a little tiny bit more to take that card over the edge. Drop one of these on top and you're ready to go, right? Then we released our fun little kit cupcake. This was in a card kit a long time ago. Ken found a few in the warehouse, so we're putting it on the website now. So if you don't have that one, now's your chance. This is on our heart gatefold, by the way. Isn't that beautiful? We also released our, if you weren't in the kit club and you didn't get it, now's your chance. This is the swiper card. This is the A1 version where you pull the little lever and the little guy pops out. So fun. If you didn't get it, now's your chance. And last but not least, our oval flip it. I designed this one for Sizzix a billion years ago. Now it's finally on our website. I love that I thought ahead on this one and I made the rounded corners and the oval. So it's all about the curves on this one, right? I love that. Now, if you did purchase it when we released it, what, 10 years ago? I don't remember. Back then, do not buy this one because that means you already have it. It's the same. But if you didn't get it back then, it's been gone. It's been in the vault for a long time. Now it's your chance to get it. It's so awesome. My friends, whew, I think I need some Diet Coke. Let me just tell you, it's been an amazing month at the Stamps of Life. Thank you so much for being a part of our journey. And you know what? We just love you. We're so thankful for all our club members and all of our customers. If you're a customer and not a club member yet, just join the Stamp Club and become part of our family. We have an amazing community on Facebook. Search for the Stamps of Life official fan page and go check it out. I love to see your creations. It's just a fun, happy, safe place to be. And you know what? That's exactly what we need, right? So come join our family, come join our community. We have so much fun and we want to see what you're creating with our designs. And you can see what other people are creating. It's just so much fun. Thank you so much. Have a great day. And you know what? I'll see you again. Bye-bye. so much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.